Kia ora and welcome to the video tutorial for submitting your RS7 return to the Ministry. We have a couple of other short videos that you may like to look at too, which includes reviewing children with the special needs exemption, an in-depth look into your funding hours table, and how to update your centre calendar. Another video that you might find helpful available on our YouTube channel is an introduction to the frequent absence rules. So that helps you really unpack frequent absences and making sure that you're making the right steps. Here we're simply going to go through the process of submitting your RS7 return. To do that, come up to Reports, come down to MOE Reports, and now select RS7 Return Funding. Got a couple of notes at the top of the screen to make sure that you've updated your centre calendar for services, for when your services close, etc. Understanding that we do national public holidays, you just need to set regional and teacher-only days, etc. That you have child daily sign-in sheets created for each day and attendances marked, and for your staff timesheets to be created and marked for what was actually worked for each day of the period. This is with the exception of home-based services. Also that you've reviewed and actioned your frequent absence reports. Now where we're at here is this is for the payment date of November 2023, and all we need to do here is simply click Submit RS7 to the MOE, knowing that you've done all of your checks already. Now you have a message here that you need to review, and once you're happy to continue, click on the Continue button. Make sure to read that message. Here is the information that the Ministry is getting with your funded child hours and your staff hour count for the period of June, July, August, all the way down to September. What we've got down here too is the discretionary hours. So any discretionary hours that you've used during the period will be submitted to the Ministry automatically. And of course, these are your advanced days, so knowing that you've updated your centre calendar, adding in any additional closures, you know that your advanced days will be correct. Click Continue. So now we're at the section for the attestation of certified teachers' salaries. What you'll notice that's different from previous funding submissions is now we have the full parity salary scale that was introduced here. Now recently the Ministry have published a pānui, and here pānui ko hunga hunga, issue 90. What you'll notice within here is that they have given you a fantastic table to help support you complete this part of this RS7. So when we scroll through to the section that we need, this is what we want. So the RS7 return attestation changes fact sheet. So you'll be able to refer to this while you're completing this section of the RS7 return. So within Info Care, select what's appropriate for your service and then click Continue. You just need to read the information presented on this screen, and once you agree, you'll be able to type in your name, enter your phone number and your job title. Once you're ready to submit your RS7 to the MOE, click Yes. Like it says here, you've got the option to print the RS7 if you would like to, or you can simply click Finish. Now to make sure that your RS7 has been submitted, you can check by coming to Utilities. Now select File Download. And what you'll find in the list is that you will have RS7 with your MOE number, November 2023, and that shows that that has been submitted. Thank you for joining us today. Ka kite!